Hello students, in the last video we have seen one subphylum in the Protochordata, that was Urochordata. Today in this video we will see the next subphylum of the Protochordata, that is Cephalochordata. Now what is the meaning of Cephalochordata? See, cephal means head. So those organisms which have the notochord persisted throughout the life from the head to the tail region, that type of organisms, they are known as cephalochordata. This is one type of subphylum where the notochord is present throughout the life. Okay, it will be present in the larval stages also. They will have after that, whenever they become adults also, that will be present, right? Now just see what type of organism they are. See, I have drawn one diagram. This organism is slender and they are going to be cylindrical with both the two ends tapering. So if you see this part, this is tapering, this part is also tapering. So this type of organisms, they are also called as lancelet. Remember, this subphylum Cephalochordata, these are also known as lancelets. Now come to their other characteristics, because rest of all the general characteristics we are leaving, because it is going to be same with the echinoderms. So whatever characteristics will be present in the echinoderms, all those general characteristics will not gonna study. We'll study only those characteristics which is specific to only that group of organism. So first of all, we'll see about their digestion. Now, whenever it comes to digestion, if you see this organism, first of all, this anteriormost region will have a hood-like structure. The anteriormost region will have a hood-like structure that is known as rostra. And just behind that, posteriorly, it is going to have the mouth. But this mouth is covered by a number of cilia, and those cilia will separate the food from the other non-food particle. So this organism is also a ciliary feeder. Otherwise, they will have the mouth, they will have the anus in the two opposite end, and to join that, they will have the alimentary canal. So if it comes to digestion, this is going to be complete digestive tract. Okay, digestive tract is complete. Next one, if it comes to the digestion, then yes, obviously this is going to be extracellular, and this organism is ciliary feeder. Now what is the meaning of ciliary feeder? This organism can separate the food from the other particles and can selectively take. So these are also known as selective feeder, right? Or they are also known as ciliary feeder. Now come to the next point, that is circulation. What type of circulation is present? See, right from the cephalopoda, these organisms are going to be closed circulation. That means now blood vessels have developed, and only inside the blood vessel blood is going to flow. So they have closed circulatory system. Okay, remember that. Now after that, come to the next point, that is respiration. See, in this group of organism, they will have the structure, the whole body surface, and those body surface is capable of just diffusing the gas. So they do not have any specific, pharyngeal gill slits are present here in this region. These are the pharyngeal gill slits. They are perforated, but yes, if it comes to digestion, that will be with the help of the skin. So if it comes to respiration, they will have just diffusion from body surface, right? So this organism will have diffusion from the body surface. Now after that, come to the next point, that is excretion. If it comes to excretion, this organism will have protonephridia. Remember, this is protonephridia, and also this protonephridia is also called as solenocyte. Okay, so they have a specific excretory organ, and that excretory organ is known as solenocyte. Remember that. Now after that, come to the paired appendages. See, this organism is a marine organism. They have to swim. So for swimming purpose, what they have? they are going to have, do they have paired appendages? No. So this organism do not have the paired appendages. They will able to swim with the help of this dorsal fin or the caudal fin, but this is present in number 1 only. Only one caudal fin, only one dorsal fin. This way the fins are present, but these fins are not paired. Only single fin will be present. Next one, if it comes to reproduction, see, this organism will have sexual reproduction, as well as this organism, they are dioecious, separate male and female organism are present. So this organism will have what type of development? Yes, development is indirect. Yes, they will have the larval stages. So this is all about the cephalochordata. Hope you have understood. So this is all about the cephalochordate. Let me tell you once again the other general characteristics. If it comes to the level of organization, then the level of organization is organ system level of organization. If it comes to coelom, then the coelom will be enterocoelomate. If it comes to the germ layers, then 3 germinal layers are present. If it comes to body plan, then they will have tube within tube body plan. And if it comes to segmentation, yes, segmentation is present because it is a characteristics of the chordata. Now, if it comes to the notochord, yes, notochord is present throughout the life. It is present, and right from the head to the last posterior-most region, caudal region, it is going to have the notochord. So, notochord is persisted throughout the life. So yeah, that is all about the cephalochordata. It's very simple group of organism, very less number of species are available. Lot of other characteristics are not there. They are just the primitive organisms. Later on it will become more evolved and it will form the fish-like organism. So these are just like primitive organism which have all those characteristics. So that's all about this subphylum cephalochordata. Hope all of you have understood. We have completed protochordata. In that next video, we will come to the next group of organism, that will be the another subphylum vertebrata. Thank you. That is all about the cephalochordata.